DIY Auto.
All right, guys, and we are back. And today we're going to be taking a look at my tool haul from Harbor Freight this past weekend. As you guys know, it was Harbor Freight's Spring Black Friday sale event this weekend, and we picked up one item that was on the Black Friday sale, Spring Black Friday sale, that I've been talking about for a while. But before we get into that, we're going to go ahead and take a look at some of the smaller items we purchased. So here we have a 4-in-1 battery brush. We actually got two of these because sometimes I lose them. And also I can have them in two different places so that I could get to them, or whatever the case may be. Most of the time I'm going to end up probably losing one, so I got an extra one. So this is for the battery terminals to clean them off. I've been dealing with a lot of battery terminals that are corroded, so this is going to help me clean them off. The last one I had was the small silver one with the cap. I ended up losing that. Next thing we got is Pittsburgh side terminal ratcheting wrench. I'm tired of trying to get a socket in there, so we're going to test this out and see how this does. It's a 10mm, nothing special, ratcheting wrench. We got a small can of WD-40. And we have an 18-inch telescoping magnet. This is the skinnier one. I have a bigger one that has a bigger magnet head, but this one's better for tight spots, tight places. I had one of these before and I lost it. It's small, so probably should have got 2 or 3 of these, but we got one of these. So we got that. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on. Nothing special about these tools. We're gonna go ahead and move on to our tool that we got for the Spring Black Friday sale. Here it is, guys. We finally picked up the Daytona 3-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands with locking pin. If you guys have been watching my Harbor Freight sales videos, every time I run across these, I've been saying I'm going to get them. I say I'm going to get them, and I never do. So this Sunday, I went and picked up these. I was also trying to pick up the 1-ton engine hoist or 1-ton shop crane. I called everywhere within a 30-mile radius of me, and no one seemed to have it. So the one time I actually was wanting to get that, they don't have it. But anyway, here's the Daytona 3-ton ratcheting jack stands. 6,000 pounds, double locking, mobility pin for extra safety and security, cast iron ratcheting bar, heavy duty enforced steel base, ideal for auto, shop, farm, and truck service. It's, you guys can check out the box there. Maximum height of 16 7/8 inch. Minimum height is 11 3/8 inch. So I got these in blue. I've been wanting a blue Daytona jack, and every time I would try to find one, I couldn't find it, so I have a black and an orange. I was thinking of getting the orange to match my jack, but I decided on the blue. I like the blue better, and it matches my service cart. So anyway, guys, we're going to go ahead and open this up and take a look at them. So this is going to be our tool haul unboxing video, first impression. Comes pretty nicely packaged. Take this off. We have one. We have number 2. We have a manual that just fell. And we have the bars that go inside. Pretty heavy duty, pretty thick, nice and heavy. Here's our locking pin. These jacks are actually really nice. The rest of this off. Nice grip here. It says Daytona on it. Rubberized grip. So this, if you lift up, you can put it down or up, and then when you want to lock it there, and here's your locking pin. Slowly trying to figure out how this is gonna work. It should just push right through there. Maybe I need to do it from the other side. Okay, so I was doing it wrong. So you got to push it through the other side, and there's a hole right here where this locking pin goes in. Now that you have your locking pin in, can you guys see that? So your locking pin goes right in there, so now it can't come out, and it's going to help where this cannot be pushed down. Now, that's the theory behind it. Will it actually stop it from being pushed down, or will this break or sever? Who knows? Hopefully not. These seem like very good quality jacks, so, and then you're not going to be able to pull it up or push it down even if you release the lever. So you're just going to have to come over here, pull the pin out, pull the locking bar, and now you can put it down. So guys, I'm really impressed by this so far. I've been wanting to get these for a while. I like this extra feature of the locking mechanism. At least it makes me feel a little bit safer when I'm going to be under a vehicle. Really heavy duty, heavy jacks. I know that they have some that's the Daytonas that are aluminum, that are lightweight, and I mean that's good and all, but I would rather have it heavy to know that it's going to be able to stand up to when I'm under that vehicle. I guess the lightweight ones, the aluminums, would be good to carry in your vehicle if you're just going to have to change a tire for a roadside emergency that you're not going to be underneath the vehicle. I guess that would be the idea for those. But anyway, guys, I like these. Here's the manual. You do get 2 jacks in the box. Here's talking a little bit about it. I'm not going to go through this. You get 2 jacks in the box. In case you're wondering, you don't have to buy one and then buy the other. So here's a little bit of that, and that's pretty much it. So overall, guys, from first impressions, I really like it. I'm very excited to try these. I've been wanting to get these for a while. If you guys have noticed, really good deal. I think they're originally $49 or $59.99. Got them on sale for $29.99. I'll actually check that to make sure. If I'm wrong, I'll go ahead and put it up on the screen exactly how much they were and how much I got them for. But not a bad deal. I believe they were $30. For $30, that's not bad. 15 a piece, can't go wrong with that. So anyway, guys, there is my Harbor Freight Spring Black Friday weekend tool haul. What else can I say? Not much else. So there you have it, guys. Put in the comment section down below if you guys picked up anything this weekend for the Spring Black Friday that was on sale, whether it be these jack stands or whatever else you guys might have picked up. Put it in the comment section below. So anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end it there. Maybe we'll do a review on these after we've used them for a while and our pros and cons on them. So anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end it there. Stop rambling on. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to ring that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always, guys, until next time, have a